Metzingen is a Swabian city with about 22,000 inhabitants, in Reutlingen County, Baden-Württemberg, Germany, 30 kilometers, 19 miles south of Stuttgart. Hugo Boss was founded in Metzingen and still has its headquarters there. It started first with its factory outlet, and was soon followed by other companies, e.g. Burberry, Reebok, JOOP, Strenesse, Escada, Bally, Puma, Nike, Adidas, Tommy Hilfiger, etc., who offer a range of their clothing at reduced prices. There are over 80 so-called outlet stores. Metzingen's factory outlets called Outletcity attract people from all over the country and Europe.